You gonna try and eat? I'm glad you're having fun with it, but are you gonna taste it? Here. What do you think? You wanna try? Okay, now if you want it, you can get it. I don't think you want it though. What do you think, Arbor? Avocado. Yeah? Want to try some more? There you go. Have fun, kid. Today is September the 14th, 2012, and Arbor is experiencing her first solid foods, very ripe avocado. All right, have fun.